everyone. Let's take a quick look at a bidding tip. All right, so North and South are going to be bidding, and East and West will be passing throughout. So let's start with North's hand and do some hand evaluation. First thing we want to do is look at the shape of the hand, and then we'll count those high card points. All right, so we have 7 spades and 1 heart and 3 diamonds and 2 clubs. So when you're recognizing your hand shape, always do it in rank order so that your mind starts recognizing the patterns of the hands and the patterns of the suits around the table. It's going to make a big difference in your bidding, in your play, and in your defense. All right, so now we'll count up some high card points. We've got 7 high card points in spades and 6 in clubs and 7 in diamonds. And then we're going to get long suit points for the 5th, 6th, and 7th spades. So we get a +3 for those long suit tricks. So we have 10 and we've got 23, 10 and 13, 23 total points. Total points are high card points plus long suit points. And at this point, I would be looking at my tricks as well. Now, the strong 2 club bid is what we're considering, North opening a strong 2 club bid. And there's 2 worlds of the strong 2 club bid. One is when you're a balanced hand and you have 22 or more total points. Now, we have 23 total points here, but we're unbalanced. So we have to look a little bit deeper into the tricks of the hand to determine if we can open an unbalanced strong 2 club bid. Okay, so the way you do that is when you have a 5 card suit or longer, so look at the spade suit in North's hand. We've got 7 spades, so we would count 7 tricks and then subtract out any missing ace, king, or queen. All right, so we're missing the king of spades here. So we would count 6 tricks in spades. We would not count a trick for the singleton heart. The singleton heart is a good card to be short in a suit, but it's not a trick, right? We're counting tricks. Now, for the ace king of diamonds, we would get 2 diamond tricks. And in clubs, we have to ask ourselves, how is the suit going to play? The ace of clubs is a trick for sure. Of course, it can get randomly trumped out, but we're just talking odds here. The ace of clubs is a trick. And the queen of clubs we're going to count as a half trick, because half the time, a 50-50 finesse, we're going to get a trick out of that queen of clubs. All right, so then we total our tricks up, and we have 9.5 tricks. All right, to open a strong 2 club bid unbalanced, you don't need the 22 total points. In fact, the requirement is you have 14 high card points, plus, depending if you're opening a major or a minor strong 2 club bid, with the major, you want a hand that has 8.5 tricks or better. Okay, so we have 8.5 tricks or better, and we have at least 14 high card points. So our plan is to open 2 clubs and rebid 2 spades to let partner know that we're unbalanced. We have at least 8.5 tricks, and we have at least 5 spades. All right, so 2 club opener. And South's hand doesn't know how to evaluate itself yet. So we don't want to play any conventions that says this is a negative hand or this is a positive hand, because it depends on which type of strong 2 club bid our partner holds. If North was bidding 2 clubs with a balanced hand, 22 or more total points, then South would be counting high card points and long suit points. If North is opening the unbalanced strong 2 club bid, which is our example here, South is going to be evaluating their controls. And controls, by controls, I mean their aces and their kings and their singletons and their voids. So South just wants to bid 2 diamonds right away. Just bid 2 diamonds. Stay out of the big hand's way. Don't bid hearts, don't bid spades, don't bid no charge. Just bid 2 diamonds, which says Which strong two club bid do you have, partner? North comes back and bids two spades to say, thanks for asking. I have the unbalanced strong two club bid. I have at least 8.5 tricks, and I have at least 5 spades. Now South knows how to evaluate their hand. First thing South does is, can I raise my partner's major? Just like in any other auction where partners bid a major. And the answer is yes, right? North is promising 5 spades for their rebid of 2 spades. South has 3 spades. We found our spade fit. So on this hand, South wants to bid 3 spades, which is the strongest bid for responder, to say, hey, yes, I've got at least 3 spades with you. Spades are set as trump. And I have at least one, could be many, but I have at least one ace or king or singleton or void. South has 2 kings here, so they've got plenty. But you just need one ace or king or singleton or void. And it doesn't have to be in the trump suit. It can be in a side suit. It can be anywhere in the hand. Now North is thinking, okay, partner's got some controls over there. We've got a spade fit. I know we have 10 spades because North is looking at 7 spades and South has shown 3 spades by raising to 3 spades. And so North wants to go right to checking to see if they can bid for no trump. All right, so general rule is for no trump, whether you're playing standard Blackwood or 1430 or Roman key card 3014, is you don't want to bid Blackwood with a void. Okay, so we don't have a void, that's okay. And you want to have the first or second round control in your side suits. So North's singleton heart is second round control. North's ace of clubs is first round control. North's ace king of diamonds is first and second round control of diamonds. So North's hand qualifies, meets the requirements for bidding for no. Now this would be if you play 1430 or Roman key card 3014, spades are set at the point South bids 3 spades. And now South would bid 5 diamonds. Now, we need to have 3 different conversations. If you play straight Blackwood, your partnership has not added key card yet. South would bid 5 clubs to deny an ace. If you play key card, Roman key card 3014, South would bid 5 diamonds to show 1 key card. The difference between straight Blackwood and key card, no matter which one you play, is key card is showing the 4 aces plus the king of trump. Okay, so the king of trump, the king of spades here, would be the 1 key card. For those playing 1430, you would bid 5 clubs in response to show 1 or 4 key cards. All right, so we're going to go with the Breakfast Club standard and play 3014. So South is bidding 5 diamonds to show 1 key card, the king of spades. Now let's see what North does with that. As the for no trump bidder, you want to visualize what partner is telling you. Okay, partner's saying they have 1 key card. So North is thinking South has either the king of spades or the ace of hearts. And in either case, the partnership is off 1 key card. But that's okay to bid 6. We don't want to bid 7 off of 1 key card. That would be a bad thing. But 6 spades would be a fine call because we're only off 1 key card. And then it would go all pass. All right. So just to recap, North opens 2 clubs, planning to rebid 2 spades, showing an unbalanced hand with 5 or more spades and 8.5 or more tricks. South just bids 2 diamonds as a waiting bid. North rebids 2 spades, showing their 5 or more spades. South makes their biggest bid by raising to 3 spades, promising at least 3 spades and showing at least one control. And controls in this situation are aces, kings, singletons, or voids. North bids Blackwood. This would be key card Blackwood if your partnership plays that. And South would show one key card, the King of Spades. And then North, realizing the partnership is off a key card, either the Ace of Hearts or the King of Spades, would then settle into six spades. If you don't play key card yet, you don't have the opportunity to show partner the King of Spades. And it's just a guess whether you go on to six spades or not. And you do have 10 trump, and maybe the King of Spades is finessable. It's on a finesse. If partner has the spades, it's not on a finesse. It's a guess. And that's one of the reasons eventually your partnership will want to add key card to your straight blackwood. Well, that does it for our quick bidding tip today. I'd love for you to take a look at our website, playbetterbridge.com. And we have lots of things going on, including a subscription class pass, which is a Zoom class and it goes on year round. You can join anytime. And if you have any friends that don't play bridge already, send them to our Bridge Starter Kit class. It's year round. They can join anytime, and we'd love to make your friends bridge players.